tranquil. You can hear the wind rustling, the birds tweeting, yet you're in your own tranquil garden, not far from anything. What could be better? I think we should take a look inside this property. Follow me. Okay, I think we should step in and look at this beautiful property. Recently renovated. It was originally built in the 80s, but the developer has completely refurbished it and done it to a very high standard. Okay, here we are inside the first part of the house, and what I would say straight away is what a clever design. He's made this room as a summer room. You can sit here in the summer and take the pool in, the views, the countryside, and do what you want. Open plan into the dining room, nice sized dining room, air conditioning, that's throughout, and that leads off into the kitchen area. Beautifully done, tastefully done, and also one thing he's done is actually put Capoto insulation on the ceilings and all the walls, so that will bring your electricity bills down, and it will stop the heat coming in the summer and stop the heat going out in the winter. Very useful. From here we lead off into the bedrooms. Double bed, decent size, air conditioning. He's even put electric panel heater fitted on there for the chilly evenings we have to get in the Algarve. Not really, just occasionally. Fully fitted wardrobes, do not take up any space whatsoever into the ensuite bathroom. Nice size, toilet, sink, shower, fully tiled, floor to ceiling. Really nice. And remember, this is the master bedroom, and the ensuite is off of this one. We have two further bedrooms and another bathroom to show you. Follow me. Look at the second bedroom. Again, a nice size, fully air conditioned, UPV double glazed windows throughout this property. That's a benefit as well. Fitted wardrobes to this one. It fits two nice single size beds in here. Nice size, again. Okay, here we are in the third bedroom, which is slightly bigger than the second bedroom. Nice size, two single beds, not small single beds, they're big single beds. Bedside cupboards, electric panel heater on the wall and air conditioning, and lovely views over the countryside. So here we are in the adjoining bathroom to the second and third bedroom. Spicy wall, I even blend into it. Lovely shower, glass screens, bidet, toilet, white, and all white sanitary ware. Feeling a bit peckish. Let's have a look and see what the kitchen can offer us. Great U-shaped kitchen, straight off the dining room. So kitchen to dining room, that's done. On this side you've got the extractor fan, electric ceramic hob, dishwasher, plenty of cupboard space, drawers, sink, very good. And on this side, plenty of cupboard space and drawers, double oven, as I say, all brand new, not being used, and fridge, freezer, top cupboards, fully tiled, views out over the countryside when you're washing up, or if you're not using the dishwasher, as to say. In the utility room, we have another fridge, freezer, great for storing more food, washing machine, and matching cupboards from the kitchen. And even, what more could you want? Poochie cat flap. So, that's my gin and tonic tonight. What a beautiful lemon tree. Let's go and have a look at the alfresco side, because it's got plenty of outside space. Dining area there. Imagine a wooden table, metal table, that would be beautiful. And then off the patio here, by the pool, we have its own barbecue. We're in the Algarve, Faro, just down there. Fish, plenty of it, meat, whatever. I've got the lemon, gin and tonic, or for the fish, I'm not quite sure. Okay, you've got this expansive area. I mean, this is your dining area, or you could use that area down there as your dining area, or use that as your lounge area, whatever. It's got so much space, you could do so much with it. And straight from the lounge, straight in the pool. What more do you want? And from the barbecue area, we go upstairs to the panoramic roof terrace. Not letting go of that. Now, this villa with this beautiful view. Let me explain. You're 15 minutes from Faro Airport. You can fly out and be in your own villa from the airport to the door in 15 minutes. If you want to go out to the local restaurants, Sal Brash, Santa Barbara Dinesh, numerous restaurants, fish, meat, local cuisine, Portuguese cuisine, it's beautiful. I love it. It's a lifestyle. Join us. Come into this lifestyle. Pop into Bordeira down the road here, 5 minutes, you will see typical Portuguese people there, sitting there. Life is a dream here. Join us.